Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Esther. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video today. So yesterday, Wednesday, I did a larger transaction where I had to spend $55 6 times to get back $50 in Walgreens cash, and I built up my transaction. Nothing printed out, nothing. Okay, so only to find out today that the system was down. So I asked the general manager, and he was like, oh yeah, it was just printing. So we tried three different registers, and nothing printed at all. Nothing for the Dawn, nothing for the Oral-B. I did the Tresemme, like nothing was printing. So I saw some posts on social media that, you know, nothing was printing. So anyway, so today found out things are working again. I'm gonna go and give it a try. I actually didn't get a chance to post that video yesterday, but I'll show you guys what I grabbed yesterday. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of the same things. On this account, I have a spend 25 6 times to get $25 in Walgreens cash. So I'm actually gonna do smaller transactions today, and along with my digital booster. I don't have any paper boosters today. The only thing is I'm sad about is because I don't have any Catalinas to really you know, flip today. Oh, and also the $10 register reward that we were getting for the children's Icy Hot, Allegra, Act, what else did I grab on that transaction? I can't remember. Dugalax, some other things. That $10 was not rolling. I tried it yesterday and it is rolling now. So I went to like 3 different stores and they just refused to put it through because it's a $10 register reward. So it was just not working, but now it is. So yeah, you guys can give that a try if you still have it. But my manager yesterday was nice enough to give me Walgreens cash. So he ended up giving me $22 in Walgreens cash, because I know they were gonna give me the $5, so he gave me $10 for the Nivea for that. So that worked out really well there. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. I think I'm gonna try to do 2 transactions. So on this account, I also have a $5 and a $4 for the Oral-B, like the Click and the other Oral-B product. So I'm gonna hope that those will come off. So that's the deal I'm gonna do. I'll show you guys my receipt. I'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with someone who might need it. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the Vaseline. They are on promotion this week, and I'm actually picking this up because I need it. They are by spend 12 and then you're gonna get back $3 in Walgreens cash. I'm picking this one up here at $9.99, and then I'm gonna pick up a smaller one at $6.49. And since these are regularly priced, I can use a 20% off coupon. That's gonna save me about $3, and we do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. And then you can also submit your receipt back to Fetch to see if you have any rebates. Okay, so on this account, I'm working with a spend 55 6 times to get $50 in Walgreens cash. So I'm picking up 2 of the Nivea. This is $10.99, one at $13.99. We do have Ibotta rebates for the men's, but I've already used that one. Plus, I don't see any of the men's. I'm gonna add this in so I can use a 20% off coupon. 3 of these, after the 20% off coupon, I will pay $21.41. And then we do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, and then we'll get back $10 for spending 20. All right guys, so the next thing I'm looking for is gonna be on the hair care. We still have Nexus on promotion for spend 25, and then you're gonna get $10 back in register rewards, and we do have the 20% off coupon that you can use. I am gonna go ahead and grab 2 of the Tresemme. They are priced 2 for $12, and then when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards. So and we also have $4 off of 2 digital coupons. So there's a few new promotions happening with the P&G. I was gonna get some Head and Shoulders, but as you guys can see, they're just completely wiped out. These are $11 on the same promotion. For when you buy 2, you're gonna get back a $4 register reward. But I was looking for the $6 ones. They're all wiped out. I'm gonna go ahead and try this promotion on the various toothbrushes for the Crest and Oral-B. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this Polestar. They are $10.99, and I do have a $4 digital coupon that I had previously clipped, and I'm gonna pick up one of the Click for $9.99. and for that I have a $5 digital coupon. So I have a 4 and a 5 that's gonna come off. So this is supposed to give me $6 when I spend 12, and as well as the $5 P&G coupon that's working for these. So I'm gonna grab them. So 2 of them comes out to $20.98, and then I do have a $5 digital coupon and then the $4 digital coupon. So that's gonna leave me to pay $11.98, and then we're gonna get back $6 for spending 12, and then we'll get back the $5. So that's gonna leave both of them to be 98 cents, or I think it's 49 cents each. 49 cents each. So this is gonna be such a great deal if you need this for a gift, for Christmas, whatever. But this is such a great gift for 98 cents. All right, guys. So since I'm trying to get over $75, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up these liners. Now you have to pick up these. I didn't scan these to see if they were attaching, but we do have a $5 coupon. It's not attaching to the actual pads, but it is attaching to the liners. They are $7.99. You could get 2 for $14. And I'm not sure if we have Ibotta rebates, but I'm gonna grab this. Since I'm only grabbing one, it's gonna be regular price, so the 20% will apply. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 of these. They are $1.24 each. When you buy 2, you're gonna get back $1 back in register rewards. So my total for everything comes out to $76.45. And then I'm gonna use $20 in Walgreens cash. So that'll put me at $56.45. So all right, guys, so after coupons, I'm down to $30.45. So for coupons, we have $5 off the Poise. We have a 5 and a 4 here. I'm gonna use a $4 paper coupon insert, $4 for the Vaseline, and $4 for the Tresemme. So $30.45. I am gonna go ahead and throw in some register rewards, and then as far as rewards that I'll get back $5 for the Tresemme. I get back $6 for spending 12 in the $5 P&G, $1 for the Dawn, $10 in Walgreens cashier, and $3 in Walgreens cash. All right, guys, so here is the first transaction that I did for yesterday with the Tresemme, Orbi, Dawn, the Nivea. I got the Poise here and the Vaseline. So this is the spend 40 get 9 and my 20% off coupon. Register rewards that I use. My kids are in the car moving this camera, so bear with me, guys. Subtotal came out to $22.44. Used 20 in Walgreens cash, and then for cash back, I got back $29. So $9 for the paper booster, $7 for the digital, $10 for the Nivea, and what else did I get points for? And $3 for the Vaseline. I think that was it. So then, of course, nothing printed, as I told you guys. But here they gave me $10 here, and then another $10. So a total of $22 that I got back for the things that didn't print. All right, guys, so I was looking for the Pulsar that are $10.99. My store no longer have them. I tried to scan this product, but there's no coupon for it. Plus, I'm not sure if it's included in the spend 12. So there's different promotions. So there's a spend 12 get 3, no, spend 12 get 6. And then there is, I'm gonna go ahead and add this to it, which is buy 2 get $3. So what I'm gonna end up grabbing is this click here for $14.99. So if I could find the one that was $10.99 on the Pulsar, I would have grabbed that. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab the most expensive one for $14.99. So this is part of the spend 12 get 6. And then to get me to $20, I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 of these toothbrushes at $3.50. So that's gonna be $7. So that'll take me to $21.99. We do have 3 off of 2 that'll come off here. I have the $5, and then I'll get back $6 for spending 12, $3 here, plus the $5 for spending 20. So I only need to spend $25 for this one here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in the Tresemme. They are 2 for $12, and we do have 4 off of 2 digital coupons for this products. And then when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards. So I also grabbed this and nothing printed yesterday as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these two to my cart. So I've been looking for these Gain liquid. My other stores don't carry it, well, at least the ones I've been to. So there are $1.99 buy two, and then you get back $1 in register rewards. It is on the same promotion as the smaller Dawn, so you have to choose which one that you want to buy. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it on to my cart. All right, guys, so I'm still working on my transaction. I'm actually gonna go ahead and do two transactions. So on the first one, I just figured it out. I'm gonna do this bill to give me the P&G, so the toothbrushes and two of these right here. And I'm gonna grab the products that are 4 buy 4 get back 5 on this transaction, and I'll use 20 in Walgreens cash. And on the next one, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 3 of the Old Spice. They are $5. Nope, they are $6. And when you buy 3, you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards. We do have Ibotta rebates for these, as well as a $5 digital coupon. So, and as far as the laundry products, let me show you guys. All right, so for the buy 4 get 5, these are what I'm gonna include. So Downy beads, the softener right here, the Tide Pods, and the liquids. So we have $1.50 for this, $1.50, $1, and $1 for that one there. What I was saying earlier is, I know this is giving back the $5 P&G coupon. I don't know if I should include it in this transaction though. I haven't bought this yet, but this is a great product to consider buying. Okay, so for my second P&G deal, I'm looking for the $4 flossers. Oh, looks like they're all out here, because we do have a $4 coupon that's attaching to those if you hadn't used it. But I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 of these. I don't think I'll have coupon for these, or maybe I'll do, so I ended up getting 1 of the floss and 1 of the mouthwash right here. So today in the first transaction, I did the click, the $14.99, the buy 4 items, the Gain, what is that? Oh, the dish liquid, the Oral-B, and here are the manufacturer register rewards that I use, coupons that came off. I'm trying to see if I missed anything. I didn't even look. And then here is what I paid. So $20, $24.93, paid 20 in Walgreens cash. It didn't show me here, but I did get back the $7 in Walgreens cash. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. The $1 for the Dawn, $5 for the P&G. That must have been for the 4. $6 here for spending 12. $3 for buying 2 of the other Crest products. $9 paper booster, and I think, and then the $5 P&G. So that's that one there. Let me show you guys the other one that I did, the other transaction. Yeah, Mommy Life is definitely like something, right? Oh, anyways. So here's the Tresemme, here's the Old Spice, the Head and Shoulders, the Crest. So the Crest, I ended up picking up a mouthwash and a, oh, I see where I messed up. I picked up a $3 product, so I didn't make it to $20. So I didn't get the $5 P&G. I was like, ooh, did it stop working? All right. And then so subtotal came out to $22. Use the register rewards here. And then I got back 29 cents. And then for that one, I didn't get the $5. I was wondering why, but I just realized what I did wrong, you guys. Don't make these mistakes. So pick up the $4 Crest products. So here's the $5 for the Tresemme, $3 for the Crest products, $5 for buying 2 of the Old Spice. So I didn't get the $4 either for the Head and Shoulders. So I feel like the Head and Shoulders is probably not printing the $5 P&G coupon either. So I would say stay away from that one. It's constantly changing. So anyways, this is all I've got for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.